Election Day 2020. Pretty relaxed looking. These guys are like, yep, no worries. You know, however this turns out, we still have things we're doing that we'll be back to doing tomorrow. Sense of humor intact, and how can you not have one? Yeah, I never would have guessed I'd have been laying around under one of these things. That's where we are, like I've called it once, sharing the dream. It's when you crawl under something, it's like they all look the same from the underside to some extent. All right, let's see. We're going to attempt to... Hi. We're going to attempt to start this.
Your head's cut off. I have to go to the bathroom. Come here, Roxy. Kind of sounds like it did before.
Well, it's gonna have to bleed out the fuel injection line.
How'd you learn about all this stuff?
You know one thing, and it leads to other things, and pretty soon you can make assumptions, and they lead to other things.
X plus Y equals Z.
Okay, this should start. Smooth, really. Much smoother than I thought for not having run in. Odd that this ends so quiet when something's running. I should look into this fan belt business and see if I can find out where the alternator is on this thing. Maybe it'll move under its own power. Well, it goes into gear. Outrageous sunset. Oh yeah, by the way, first drive in this crazy Porsche. Likes third gear. Awesome color. What a crazy effect. Tack doesn't work. Damn. Take it back. Got a bit of a crunch on the